Seth, next on the table is match the night against Nations FC. First of all, congratulations on your victory on Wednesday evening. Uh, how is the mood in camp like looking at the competition amongst yourself, especially where you play?
Um, you could see we have highly quality players, and going into every game, we are so much motivated to go in for a win and nothing more, nothing less. So this is how the mood in campus.
In some of the games, you see the interaction on the bench. You seem to be having a very good harmony among yourself. What is the relationship like amongst you as players and your head coach?
It's all about unity. We've been preaching unity, and I think it's really helping us because you could see when this guy is given opportunity, how we are going to support him. When this person also is given opportunity, how we are all going to support him. So whoever is given opportunity, you could see he can deliver very well. It's all about unity.
On Saturday is a big game. The venue is Abrankese. We are yet to win. Your coach has assured us we are going to win. From the playing perspective, from players, are you also on the same page with your coach? And what do you think you need to do to win?
For this season, our motto is nothing is impossible with Zito and his boys. So it is possible. We will do it. We are highly motivated and we will do it.
Thank you very much and all the best for the weekend. Coach, welcome. Congratulations from your last victory over the Early Roosters. Next in line is Nations FC, the side that we are yet to beat in the league. From the backdrop of a win, what's the mentality and the preparation for?
You see, I said it before that Kotoko doesn't need any position aside winning the league. And we set the target of winning the league, and anybody we are going to meet, we're playing all out to win the game. If it turns to be otherwise, it's part of the game. So we are going there with the mentality of beating them. We want to break the record of, they say nobody beats them. Kotoko have never beaten them there. Maybe once again I say there's a day, one day in your life that things can change for you for the betterment. So we are going all out to meet them and make sure that we come out victorious.
Coach, fortunately, unfortunately for you, all the games that you are playing are energy sapping games, very demanding matches from Heart of Lions to Pro Stars and then Nations. How do you manage to keep the energy levels up?
So you will see that I'm trying to economize some of the players because if we don't do that, I've had an experience from Dreams FC chasing Africa, playing the league. We nearly went to relegation. So I'm using that to improve, or what I would say is to improve upon what I did there that was not right, and then do it better here by economizing the game. You may be playing good, I have to change you, and some players will play, some will not play. Luckily for me, I have in the position about 2-3 in the positions. When you watch the first game we played, even though it was due to injury, but Joseph Amwa played. And then now you see Kamara down. So this is how I want to go. Entry is out. Not that they can't play, but I'm trying to economize the issue so that
Use rotation.
yeah, so that, because if I go all with one set, I think I'll get problem.
Coach, you are one of the few highly experienced coaches in the league and going to venues that you've not won before with the team. How do you guys manage to go into such game and how do you plan of getting the win?
I'm working with a bunch of players with high mentality. I'll just tell them, you can do it. So let's go and then do it. We go there, I kept telling them, Charlie, we can win. We can do this. We can do that. And you set the mentality at training. This is the way. For instance, I told my boys, attack them the way you attack Kwara here in Accra, and defend the way you defended against Kwara in Nigeria. So we blended two today. You will see you were with me in Nigeria. You see the attitude we played, the same attitude today. So this is how I go with it.
So hopefully, should our supporters expect a win?
Yes. Who is going to fight? You say no. I'm going seriously. I'm going there to win.
Thank you very much, Coach. I wish you the best.
Thank you.